Hello everyone, and welcome aboard the brand new build of a 50-foot H&H. This is a lobster boat that's going to be headed down to Massachusetts. We have 5-star yacht towing bringing the boat in today. This boat is 19 foot 2 at its widest point. Our shop door is 22 feet wide, so this boat of this size takes up most of our shop as far as even getting another boat in beside it. It is going to be powered by the D16 continuous duty Volvo engine. I believe it's 750 horsepower, and we are really excited to get started on this. So as always, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask, like, share, and follow along for the build of this 50-foot H&H.